All viewers and dear students, today we have very interesting and exponential in the quadratic form equation. So x plus 12 is equal to 100. How we can determine the value of x is unknown. Quadratic equation is given and degree of the variable is 2. It means that we have two roots of this equation. So if we directly calculate, we get just only one root. So now we are applying in here. We transfer this result x plus 12 whole square is equal to 100 and x plus 12 whole square minus 100 is equal to 0. Now we try to make one of the formula a square minus b square. According to this formula, we are trying to make a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula, here 100 we can write x plus 12 whole square minus 10 whole square, we get 100 is equal to 0. Now dear student, we have considered x plus 12 is equal to a, so we get a square, and in here b is considered is 10, that will be b square. So according to this formula, x plus 12 minus 10 into x plus 12 plus 10 is equal to 0 according to this formula of algebraic formula. So now we add this result, x plus 12 minus 10 we get 2 into x plus 12 plus 10 we get 22 is equal to 0. It means that result x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 22 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 22. So these are the results of the given result. If we want to check our roots are correct or not, so we can verify the result, check the given results are satisfied the equation or not. So x plus 12 whole square is equal to 100. So that is the question marks. If we give the first root, minus 2 plus 12 whole square is equal to 100. That is the question mark. Minus 2 plus 12 we get here 10. 10 square is equal to 100. So this is the question mark. 10 square is equal to 100. 100 is equal to 100. That means that x is equal to minus 2 is the roots of the given equation is satisfied. Now the second roots, x equal to minus 22. If we check this one, x is equal to minus 22. So what will happen? Minus 22 plus 12 whole square is equal to 100. Minus 22 plus 12 we get minus 10 whole square is equal to 100, and minus 10 square is 2 times multiply minus, so we get positive. So the result is 100 is equal to 100. So the another root is also satisfied, x is equal to minus 22. It means that the quadratic equation is given, the degree of the each variable is 2, so we get two results, two roots. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and also your family. Thanks again for watching.